Hello there, Cougar Academy, and welcome to Lesson 1.2 in Algebra 2. Today, we are going to be talking about how to use order of operations to evaluate expressions. Hopefully, again, a rather easy lesson starting out here. Order of operations. You might have learned this in elementary or at least middle school. Good old PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What that stands for, if you don't remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now, key thing is as we do these, you want to do multiplication and division, okay? You do them in order from left to right. So it might actually be PEDMAS, okay? You might do the division first. And similarly, with addition and subtraction. You do these in order from left to right. Now, here's the deal, guys. Okay? Calculators, really, these are free points. Okay? I know some of you like to take on the mental challenge, which is fine. I'll show you how to do that, but please get in the habit of checking your work and just typing them into your calculators, okay? Now, it is important with parentheses and everything here. So let's just look through some examples, and really they're not too bad. All right, so first we're going to start with parentheses. So we're going to look for those, and we're going to start from the inside and work our way out. So first off, we're going to take care of the 9 plus 1. Well, that is 10, okay? When we do that, we still got the times 2, and then divided by 5. We're still working in parentheses, so we're going to do this multiplication, which is 20, and then divide that by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Bada bing, bada boom. Double check. Take care of the Dvorsky double check. 9 plus 1 times 2 divided by 5. Free points given to you there. Okay? Right across the number 2 here, 5 plus 3 minus parentheses 2 minus 1. Take care of the 2 minus 1 first. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus, and then 5 plus 3. Well, 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 1 is 7. Again, just double check that 5 plus 3 minus parentheses 2 minus 1 is equal to 7. Boom. All right. Now, a few more things going on here. Again, let's take on the mental challenge. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, times 2 divided by 2 plus 5. What's next? Parentheses. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, divided by 2 plus 5. It's tempting. You want to do the 5 plus 6, but PEMDAS says division first. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. We're going to check that here. 5 plus 4 minus 1. Very important you get all of the parentheses in the right spots. Okay, I think I got that all right. 8, we got it. Okay, now it's tempting to distribute, but we're simply just going to focus on what's inside here. Now, in the parentheses, what should we do first? The multiplication or the addition? Okay, well, please excuse my multiplication, dear Aunt Sally. So it's going to be 9, 3 times 3, plus 3. Then the 2, well, 9 plus 3 is 12. And this time, so the parentheses, you can think there's a little multiplication in between here. 2 times 12 is 24. Minus 4, 24 minus 4 is 20. Okay, so a little bit more going on, but just trust your instinct here. 3 times 3 plus 3 minus 4 and 20. Okay, now some more things here. Again, take your time. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, we're still working in the parentheses here. 2 plus 9 minus 3 divided by 5 minus 1, which is 4. So I did both of these parentheses groups at once, which is okay, as long as I didn't do this division yet. 2 plus 9 is 11 minus 3 divided by 4. 11 minus 3 is 8 divided by 4. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so again, just be careful. Some more things going on. But in the end, and really, I mean, in all honesty, you could just start right in your calculator. I won't know the difference. So that's it there. This time, a little bit of exponents going on. So we haven't done one with those yet. First, take care of the parentheses. You do not distribute. So apologize that I wrote that in there. You don't do that. Okay? Skull, crossbones. You'll see that a few times. Don't distribute. Okay, we'll work with powers later, but we don't distribute the power to addition or subtraction. Okay, so instead, just do 2 minus 2. Well, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 0 squared. Okay, so 6 minus 0 squared plus 3 times 4. I'll take care of that 12 a while. Well, 0 squared is 0. Boop, boop, boop. Doom. Okay, so 6 minus 0 plus 12. Technically, 6 minus 0 first, so that's 6 plus 12, and that's 18. Okay, a little bit going on there. So, of course, check 6 minus 2 minus 2 squared plus 3 times 4. Boom, 18. Okay, that's it there. All right, the next step, substitute the given values, then perform the order of operations. Really not too bad. These ones, just be careful. We're substituting, so it's giving you practice with evaluating numbers here. So anywhere I see A, I'm going to plug in 4. And anywhere I see C, I'm also going to plug in 4. Okay, won't always be 4, but that's just how it is. So 4 minus 4 squared and minus 4 squared. Okay, certainly if you want to at this point, we already did some work before, type it into your calculator, 4 squared minus 4 squared. Okay, and parentheses, and you get 4. Boom, boom, boom. So that's about it. Just plugging it in and solving. This one, we have J is 5, K is 6. So just, again, be careful. Anywhere I see J, I'm putting 5. So minus, and K is 6. Divided by 6 minus, oh, another 6 minus 6. Lots of 6s. That's okay. And then that's going to close the parentheses. Go from there. So only 5 to plug in there. 5 minus 6 divided by 6 minus parentheses 6 minus 6. Lots going on, but we get 4 as that result. Okay, again, don't believe me. Well, that is 5 minus 6 divided by 6 is 1, minus 0. So that's 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, 9, number 9 here. So P is 4. So negative 2 quantity 3 minus 4 plus 3 quantity 4 plus 3. We are going to get, so order of operations from here, negative 2 times negative 1 plus 3 times 7. Negative 2 times negative 1 is going to be positive 2 plus 21 is equal to 23. So again, take your time. 3 minus 4 plus 3 times 4 plus 3, 23. And number 10, 8 plus y, xy's. Substitute. So now be careful with negatives. Okay, I'll show you that little trick here. 8 plus, I like to just put in parentheses, negative y, and then x minus y. So x is negative 2, and it's minus negative 2. So it's minus a negative, and then plus another negative 2. So I know it's a lot of parentheses, but just because, notice, when we do minus a negative, that's going to change it to addition. So that's probably the trickiest thing, is if you have to substitute a negative number in. So it's 8 plus negative 2, really negative 2 plus 2, and then minus 2 plus a negative. You could just change that to subtraction. Okay, so with all that little bit taken care of, you can evaluate a little easier. Again, we're still going to do order of operations. So negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So it's negative 2 times 0. So really, it's going to be 8 minus 2, because really that's 0, which is 6. All that happening, it's important to check your work. Notice all the little parentheses I'm putting into my calculator, and just get that there. So be careful, especially with double negatives. And that's about it. So 1.2. Some substituting order of operations. Take your time, use your calculator, and good luck.